Let's see if I can explain how to scan this document in 60 seconds. Let's start the timer. So to scan this document, first look for a place where there is sufficient lighting. Make sure the background has dark colors to contrast with the white document, so the camera can detect and frame the document. Open the camera app on your Samsung phone and hold your phone camera right on top of the document. Make sure the whole document can be seen by the camera. And it's okay if you can't read the text. The camera can see a lot more than our eyes. A yellow square frame with a tap to scan button will pop up to let us know where the camera thinks the document is. It doesn't matter if the frame is a bit slanted. Just tap on the tap to scan button, then click Save, and the document will be scanned and saved in your Samsung phone gallery. That's less than a minute. Not bad. I've also discovered a few other tips about using this scanner. Hi everyone, my name is Richard and welcome to another Sky Perspective video. Tip number 1. Scanning irregular sized documents. We can use it to scan very fine detail posters or long receipts, and the resolution is still pretty clear. I recently upgraded my Honda Civic car battery to this premium battery, and it appears to have fixed my engine spark plug issues. I'm so happy about it. Anyway, notice how I adjust the right edge of the scan area, which I'll show more of this later. See those two photos that I've just scanned using the link in the description down below. On to tip number 2. Extracting text from scanned documents to copy and paste to other applications. After we tap on the Tap to Scan button and before we save, we can tap on this T icon to scan the text on the document. Bixby will kick in to convert the text in the photo into text we can copy and paste to other applications on our phone. Bixby is Samsung's smartphone assistant, and precisely this is Bixby Vision that is doing the text detection. This is very convenient when we want to convert information on name cards or translating menus at the restaurant to search on Google or use Google Translate. Tip number 3. Precise scanning. These 4 circles are for us to adjust the corners of the frame to be scanned. We can adjust the 4 circles to make sure the frame is precisely in line with the document edges. On to tip number 4. Organize your scanned files. I scan all my receipts that I want to keep for warranty purposes. Apart from saving it into the photo gallery app, I normally share it to my Google Drive. I have a My Receipt folder, and I named the internal folders according to the shops I buy from to file a receipt. If you don't use Google Drive, you can achieve the same way by creating the My Receipt folder as an album on your Samsung Photo Gallery app. This method of using our Samsung phone's native camera to scan documents should work on most Samsung phones. Oh, I forgot to mention, you need to switch on the Scene Optimizer camera settings for the camera app to scan documents. If you have that switched on and it still doesn't work for you, comment down below so everyone knows which Samsung Galaxy model can't scan documents. And if that model should work, maybe we all can help you troubleshoot. Check out the playlist appearing on the screen now for more Samsung phone tips. And you can subscribe by pressing on the channel logo here. I'm trying to grow this channel so my videos can be useful to a lot more people. Thanks, I really appreciate your help. You take care and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.